biggest star in the country. And here I am. Kicked out by a cheater and a liar and a jerk. Way to go, Lois.
Kane, you are late! Or have you forgotten you're not the big shot journalist you used to be? Is that alcohol I smell?
I'm so sorry, boss. It was...
There, that should help. By the way, I'm sending you back down to the entertainment desk. That department is on the chopping block, and I could use someone who can handle a diva actor. Last chance, Kane. Don't screw this up. Listen up, everyone. This is Lois Kane, your newest team member.
Whoa. Look who it is. She's my new boss?
I know you all have heard the rumors about the billionaire acquiring our magazine.